Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics class 9 from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the volume of sphere and hemisphere. Volume of sphere and hemisphere. Volume of sphere 4/3 pi r cube and volume of hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. Now to discuss the question number 1 of exercise 13.8. Find the volume of sphere whose radius is 7 cm. Volume of sphere whose radius equal to 7 cm. Therefore volume equal to 2/3 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube, that's equal to 4/3 and 22/7 into 7 cube, that's equal to 4/3 22/7 into 7 into 7 into 7 and 7 cancel. 88 into 49 upon 3. Now we multiply 88 and 49. 79. Four to one two upon 3. 1404 centimeter cube. 1404 centimeter cube of the volume of a cube. Now 4 multiply 28, 88, 7 multiply 7, 49 upon 3 and 88 multiply 49 equal to 4312 upon 3. That's changed into the mixed number 1437 whole 1/3 centimeter cube. This centimeter cube is the volume of a sphere. Now the next question number 2. Question number 2. Find the amount of water displayed by a solid. Find the amount of water displayed by a solid spherical ball of diameter. Diameter is given. Diameter 28 centimeter and the radius equal to 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter. Now the value of solid spherical ball equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube and 4 by 3 22 by 7 14 into 14 and 7 to the 14. Now 176 into 14 into 14, 196 upon 3, 196 upon 3. Now we multiply 196, 176. Now the value of solid spherical ball is 34,496 upon 3 centimeter cube upon 3 centimeter cube. So that's equal to, change into the 1 1
all the subject teacher nursery to 8 join the assembly ground immediately.
9 8
All the subject teacher nursery to 8 join the assembly ground and subject teacher 9 to 12
by 3
join SDM block smart class.
centimeter cube.
Subject teacher nursery to 8 no time in there.
Centimeter cube. Clear?
You
This is the volume of
This
a solid spherical ball. Okay?
is not seminar, this is webinar.
Next question.
Below block means below block. Hurry up please, be quick.
Question number 3. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. Question number 3. The diameter of a metallic ball,
Hello.
diameter 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball? If the density of metal is is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So first we find the radius. Radius is 4.2 by 2, that's equal to 2.1 centimeter. And the volume of ball equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and 4 by 3 22 by 7 2.1 2.1 and 2.1 0.3 6.6 0.7 0.7 into 2.8 2.1. So we multiplied 26.4 into 1.47. Thirty-eight point 808 centimeter cube. This is the volume of a ball. This is the volume of a ball. Now mass of the ball is equal to volume into density. 38.808 into 8.9 gram. 8.9 gram. So we multiply that. Now we multiply that and we get 345.3912 gram and 345.39 gram approx. Clear? And the question number 4, the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of Earth. The diameter of Moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of Earth. Let diameter of Earth equal to d. Now the radius equal to d by 2. Diameter of Moon d by 4. Radius is equal to d by 8. Now the value of Earth is equal to volume of Moon is equal to the 4/3 pi r d by 2 का whole cube and 4/3 pi d by 8 whole cube. 4/3 pi cancel and that's equal to d cube upon 8 and d cube upon 512. So that's equal to d cube into 512 upon 8 into d cube. That cancel and 64 upon 1, that's equal to 64:1. 64:1 is the ratio of the fraction of volume of Earth and Moon. Clear? Thank you.